Hey there, welcome back friends. In this video we will talk about few general but important things. First of all, we will talk about the life cycle. In here we have already seen this annotation test instance where we have overridden the default mechanism from per method to per class. What was this? This was how the object of this method, how the object of this class will get created by JUnit. Now creation of this object is definitely required because we want to run these methods. We would like to execute these methods, and without object of this class we cannot run these methods, right? Now what happens in JUnit 5? In JUnit 5, for every method a new object is created. Why that is the case? The case is because we would like to have a fresh start for every test. Every test should have fresh data. That is the reason why it is the default setting to have object per method. So that is something which is definitely good. So we will get rid of this particular annotation and we will go with the default scenario. So that is one thing. So in here there is this typo. Let me fix this. Alright. Now friends, we know that for individual method a new object of this class will get created by JUnit, which is nice. Now there are two very important things which usually you should follow. Right? First thing is, write the test case in such a way that it is independent. It is not dependent on any other cases or any other variables. The variables which are there in class level shouldn't be shared among test. That is the second thing, right? So the first thing is your test cases should be independent. Apart from that, the yet another important thing that you should remember is don't share the member variables. Don't share the class level variables among the test. So two things, two golden rules. Keep your test independent, don't share data. That's it. So always remember this and your testing will be much better. Alright, so this was very simple, very easy, very short discussion, but an important one, right? So that's it for today. In our next video we will check more things, right? So thanks for watching, have a nice day and take care.